What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. For all those who have subscribed, I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please hit that button for me. We got a lot of cool stuff planned for you guys in the future, and you don't want to miss out. So this is it. Now today we're going to be adding some much needed lighting to the Jeep Wrangler. The other day my buddy hit me up, the late model tech. I don't know what's causing that.
What's causing it? This is stupid hard. That's what's coming.
And want to know if I want to go mudding in the Jeep. He's got a pretty cool X-Shed that's set up to do whatever. Check it out on his channel. I don't know how I didn't get stuck. Mine, on the other hand, is not. I got a leveling kit and some BF Goodrich cams off of Rubicon. That is it. I don't even think mine has any lockers. But you know what, guys? It did pretty damn well. I was surprised at how well it did out there. It got through some stuff that I didn't think it could make it out of. He was pretty impressed as well. So, but today, the one thing I did notice, it definitely needs some lighting. I could not see out there, guys. It was dark. The moon wasn't even out, so it was pitch dark. I have a little bar on the front, but that's about it. I definitely need some lighting in the front and the back. So in this video, I'm going to put some pillar pod lights on there. And in the next video, I'll be putting some reverse lamps for you guys. All right, so this is kind of what I have right now. I'm going to install these rigid lights. These are the D-series ambers I have laying around. I have the harness for them, so that's why I'm going to put these on. These are the ones, these are my Baja designs. These are the ones I had on my Raptor. These things are super bright. But I'm not putting these on right now because I actually left, when I traded my Raptor in, I left the harness for them on the truck. I just took off the lights and the mount. So these are the ones I'm going to eventually put on. But maybe I'll do a video later, comparison, these compared to those, to see how much brighter these are than these, if they are. But yeah, that'll be in a later video. I'm going to be using this Amazon kit here for the pillar mounts. These I got for like, man, they were on sale, guys. These are like 10 bucks. Pretty cheap, just to mount the lights on the pillars. And I definitely recommend this harness, guys. This harness, complete kit. I mean, I'm telling you, it's complete. It already comes pre-wired. All the connectors are made on the relay. So if you're really skeptical and not really good at wiring, this thing already comes pre-wired. All you have to do is hook up the connectors, the wires for the battery, which are right here, these little rings. And these are the ones for the lights, the ones that are loose. And then your switch is already connected also. So like I said, it's already pre-wired. It's really simple, guys. All you gotta do is run the wire and hide it wherever you want. I'll show you guys here shortly what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna put it. But yeah, this is right out of the box. It's already pre-wired. These were, I think, 10 bucks as well. So yeah, I'll put all this products in the links in the description below where you guys can get this stuff. Let's get started. All right, guys, so these are directional. So you're gonna wanna see the loop. Obviously, this is gonna be the passenger side. So we'll stick this on here. This is the bolt. So we need to loosen these two up. It's gonna be these two are gonna be a Torx 30. So that way we can lift this up and run the wire behind there. All right, put these right here for now. Get this ready for this. padded. The hole's not big enough, but that's okay. Throw your light, mount it here. All right, just kind of get it tight and snug, just to where we'll play with this later on. So when you finger tight, go ahead and grab your wire, run it back here, underneath there. Don't want to pinch it, so you definitely want to put it, you want to wrap it behind here so we don't pinch it underneath the metal. Like so. Yeah, so you want to make sure it goes behind there and not underneath here. Our connector. Go ahead and tighten these up. Alright, so once we get the hood open, we got our harness here. This will be obviously the battery side. So it'll be negative battery, positive side terminal of the battery. And the relay will mount up somewhere over here. And this is going to be our switch. So the switch will run along the side. And on these Jeep Wranglers, on these JKs, there's actually an opening there to get inside the cabin. So we'll run the switch that way along the top. We'll leave this over here, and the other ends are going to be our light connections, so we can go like this, passenger side, driver side. But on my rigid harness, they're both already tied into one. They've already spliced into one, so I actually only have to make one connection. Whichever one I want to use, I'll probably use the shorter one. But yeah, if they wasn't connected like this, I could just go ahead and just wire these to the ends. But in my case, I just have to use one end. So yeah, let's just go ahead and run the wire and get set up. Passenger side, connect it there, and now I only have to make one connection. Then zip tie this for now, and then if I need more, I have more, but if not, I already have that set up. Also, when you get this kit, guys, it already comes with a whole bunch of little fittings and fuses, extra fuses for you guys. So let's go ahead and just kind of just tuck this away. We'll electrical tape all this later and hide all this, kind of clean it up a little bit. These are the ends that we'll be connecting to one of the ends here. Grab one of our ends from the pack, stick this in here, crimp it, grab our red and red, and make sure we get a good connection for a better connection, but will work for. All right, so once we make our connection, let's just go ahead and we can test our lights. We can go ahead and test our lights and make sure everything's gonna work, and we can go ahead and hide the wires better and run the switch inside. So we can just kind of just lay this on here for now and grab our switch and make sure that one works, and that one works. Cool. So now that we know that we got all our connections on, we can go ahead and clean this up and run our switch in the inside, and wherever you want to mount this, we can mount it. Underneath here. Underneath there. And then right in there, there is a hole for these. Go inside here. Reach up there and grab our fuel relay. We got enough slack. Maybe I'll mount it up there. I take these covers off here. Pull that off. Here's where I have my other switch. This is for the one behind the grill. So I'll probably run it the same way above here and just drill on the hole. Probably down here. You can mount it anywhere on this dash, guys. I'm gonna mount mine probably right below the one I have behind the grill, which will probably be somewhere down here. Get it out of the way, and it's good access for me to reach. I can just reach down here and grab it. So I'll probably just drill a hole here for it. These are very easy, so I'm gonna just disconnect the switch. So we're gonna have the red, or black, red, white, top down. Just pull these off. That way we can see on the other side, just to get started. You know where it's at. All right. All right. Want to make sure everything still works before we go ahead and tighten everything back up. Put that there, put that there. No. Yep. All right. You guys can go ahead and electrical tape all that up if you want, make it look a little cleaner, but I'm just gonna leave it like that because, like I said, I'm probably gonna be changing these out for the Baja designs. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see how well these work before I make my final decision. See how they look. Look pretty cool. I like the amber look. We'll see how they perform at night.